under the sun so light. B is for ball, bouncing so high, rolling and laughing up to the sky. C is for cat, purring so sweet, with yarn balls dancing around its feet. D is for dog, wagging with cheer, playing with bones when friends are near. E is for elephant, big and round, with a little blue bird flying around. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning letters, so much glee. D, E, F, and G, H, I, let's go higher, reach the sky. F is for fish, swimming with glee, blowing small bubbles under the sea. G is for grapes, purple and green, dancing in vines, what a funny scene. H is for hat, fancy and neat, winking with feathers, it looks so sweet. I is for ice cream, yummy delight, 3 scoops smiling, take a bite. J is for jelly, wobbly and cool, shaking and giggling on my spoon. E, E, C, come sing with me, learning letters, so much glee. D, E, F, and G, H, I, let's go higher, reach the sky. K is for kite, flying up high, waving hello as it soars by. L is for lion, strong and proud, with a golden mane like a fluffy cloud. N is for monkey, swinging so free, eating bananas in the big tall tree. N is for nest, cozy and round, with baby birds making chirping sounds. O is for owl, wise at night, with twinkling stars shining so bright. P is for parrot, color so grand, talking and singing across the land. Q is for queen, dressed in style, waving to all with the royal smile. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast, through the meadow, what a blast. S is for sun, golden and bright, warming the world with its shining light. T is for train, chugging along, puffing out smoke with a happy song. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning letters, so much glee. D, E, F, and G, H, I, let's go higher, reach the sky. U is for umbrella, rainbow and sweet, keeping us dry when raindrops meet. V is for violin, playing a tune, strings making music under the moon. W is for whale, splashing with fun, jumping in waves under the sun. X is for xylophone, ding dong ding, making happy sounds when we sing. Y is for yacht, sailing so free, riding the waves so happily. Z is for zebra, stripes so neat, dancing in the grass with prancing feet.